Okay, so this is my Rubik's Cube. It's like a special one. And your dad will tell you that I'm not doing any funny business, but just in case it looks like it, I'm just gonna, kind of just do some random stuff on my fingers. It's dangerous. Okay, so like I said, just random stuff on my fingers. All right. So what I do is I look at all the pieces and I want to make this whole side white and then all of these on this the same colors, right? And it's because these middle pieces, they never move, right? So I have a little cross that I make, and you can see the white goes to the white and the green goes to the green. So I'm just gonna speed this along. I lost my place. Okay, and we go. See how that fits in there? That's all done. All right, and now that goes there. Now all this, whoa, I did this one, oops. Okay, now that that's all done, and this whole part's white. So I now want to make a cross on the bottom, and then I want to make the whole bottom yellow. See that? And now I want to move all the pieces around. And so, okay, so now I want to move these two pieces to these two pieces. Okay, so and that's it. It's all done. So if you want to see it a little fast, I'll do it one more time for you. All right. And I'm just gonna look at it for a second. We are off to the races. Whoops. You can tell I don't do this often anymore. And that's it. All the sides are done.